Let me go read the sign and then we'll do it when we're up there. Alright, so we're at the Brecon Beacons National Park at the, I think it's the Black Mountains. So we're gonna hike that way. There should be a dam, a couple peaks, and depending on how difficult it is, we'll see if we can do it. If not, we'll just go explore the forest. Right, I can't do bad with this one. Come on. I can't get it right. That sucks. Oh, do not go down here. It's open. How much water do you reckon?
I don't know. Alright, so I haven't really explained it yet, but we're hiking in Wales. And yeah, it's me and Gino. So the story for that, I met Gino back when I was playing Minecraft.
Hey.
In like, I don't even know, what was it, like, when we were like 12?
12, so what, 2012? No, 2014?
Definitely middle school, I know that for a fact, but we just kept in contact this whole time, and like, I figured, well, I'm studying abroad right now, so that trip, that finished. So I was like, let's meet up. We finally did, and he likes to hike and camp and stuff, so that's what we're doing out here in Bothy, B-O-T-H-Y.
It's like a charity.
Yeah, it's like...
They make huts around the countries in dangerous areas, I guess.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. So, yeah, we're here for the night, and we'll probably go camping tomorrow night too, and I don't know, do some other cool stuff. So, yeah. So last night, some dude Al showed up at like 9:30 to stay here. So we let him in. He brought firewood, which was nice, and he was a interesting guy. No problem there. But yeah, there's 2 beds up there where Gino and I slept, and he slept down here. I was worried that we were all gonna have to snuggle in. I didn't really want to do that, but yeah, we just woke up. We're about to get after it.
Did I see you?
Right, so we're at Lamberris Path. Never really done this path before, so it's new for both of us. Don't think it's too difficult, but yeah, we'll see where it goes.
Was it you who told me to watch myself? And in the end, it's you who are on the shelf.
Finally about 700 meters up, got about 300 to go. It's hard, but I reckon we should make it. Finally made it. 2.5 hours, maybe 3. We waited up here for about 10-15 minutes for it to clear up. As you can see, it kind of has. Got a bit lucky there. It's freezing, definitely worth it. Got some hot dogs to have a nice treat when we get down. We're just looking for somewhere to camp for the night. Thinking a coastline maybe, but we'll see. It's getting late now, it's about 8:30. It'll get darking pretty quick now, so we better get down this mountain and back to the car. So we're looking for somewhere to camp. Wasn't really much choice, so we came here. It's a bit windy, but we'll set up further up by the cars. Yeah, hopefully we get a good night's sleep. Well, take a while, it's quite late.
Thing's tiny.
This is the way to go. The blueberry one.
Nah, cinnamon one's alright. Better than my other one, that tasted like nothing.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
It was wallpaper paste.